Your files are automatically saved in OneDrive. You can find this by looking for it on the menu online. If you're not already in OneDrive, just search for onedrive.live.com or onedrive.microsoft.com or just Google OneDrive and sign in. Once you're in OneDrive, you will find the new button, which allows you to make documents directly within OneDrive, or you can choose to upload existing files. Files can also be added to OneDrive by simply dragging them in the browser window. It's always a sensible option to create folders and subfolders for your different units for your course to make it easier to find your files later. Any files that are saved in folders with sensible file names are easier to find if later on you have difficulty locating them. All your files in OneDrive can be downloaded if you need them. You can rename them, delete them, copy them, all from the drop-down menu which you'll find on the three dots. Most documents can be edited directly within the browser window. Documents can be saved and renamed from here, and they will automatically save back to OneDrive. It is a good idea to give all your files sensible names, so don't leave them as document or document1. Makes them real difficult to find later. If you need to go back to a previous version of your file, click at the top of the window where you can see the document name where it says saved, and you will have the option to have a look at the version history and go back to a previous version of this file. If you can't find a file that you have saved previously, you can simply use the search bar at the top of the OneDrive window and look for the name of the file. If you want to filter out just the Word documents, just the PowerPoint slideshows, just the Excel spreadsheets, from the menu, just choose Word or PowerPoint or Excel, and the window will show you just the Word, the PowerPoint, or the Excel files that you have created. If you have accidentally deleted a file, from within the OneDrive window, choose Recycle Bin, tick the file you want to get back, and choose Restore.